The Harley-Davidson Fat Bob is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, design, and performance. Built for those who crave adventure and aren't afraid to stand out, the Fat Bob combines cutting-edge technology with classic Harley-Davidson craftsmanship. Let's dive into the features that make this bike an unforgettable ride. First, let's talk about the engine. The Fat Bob is equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8V twin engine, delivering an impressive 90 horsepower. It's not just about the numbers, it's the way this engine feels under you. When you twist the throttle, the bike surges forward with raw, unfiltered power, making it perfect for highway cruising or city streets. The Milwaukee 8 engine also offers a smooth, reliable ride, with a refined balance between performance and comfort. Whether you're speeding down a straightaway or tackling tight curves, this engine never lets you down. The next standout feature of the Fat Bob is its aggressive, muscular design. From its wide front tire to its sculpted fuel tank, the Fat Bob demands attention. The bike's low-slung profile, paired with its beefy, wide stance, gives it a bold presence on the road. The unique headlamp design is both striking and functional, casting a wide beam of light for clear visibility in the dark. It's not just about looks, this bike is built to make a statement. Speaking of the front end, the Fat Bob features a chunky 150mm front tire, which gives the bike excellent stability and handling, especially when navigating through tight turns. The wide tire provides a solid connection to the road, ensuring confidence and control, no matter the riding conditions. Paired with the inverted front forks, this design ensures you can conquer any terrain with ease. Moving to the rear, the Fat Bob's rear suspension system is designed for performance and comfort. The dual rear shocks are adjustable, allowing you to tailor the ride to your preferences. Whether you prefer a firmer ride for sportier handling or a softer suspension for longer trips, you can easily dial it in for the perfect ride. The bike's suspension not only provides a smooth and controlled ride but also absorbs bumps in the road, so you feel less impact as you cruise. Another feature that stands out is the bike's braking system. The Fat Bob is equipped with dual-disc brakes on the front and rear, offering superior stopping power. The braking system is smooth and responsive, allowing you to stop with confidence at any speed. Whether you're navigating city traffic or hitting high speeds on the highway, you can rely on the Fat Bob to bring you to a stop when you need it most. Let's not forget the bike's custom touches. The Fat Bob's styling isn't just about aesthetics, it's about blending classic Harley-Davidson elements with modern, bold design. The blacked-out finishes, wide handlebars, and aggressive exhaust give the bike a menacing look, while the minimalist seat design adds to its sleek appearance. It's clear that every element of the Fat Bob has been carefully crafted to deliver both form and function. When it comes to comfort, the Fat Bob doesn't disappoint. The seat, while minimalist, is well padded and supportive, making it perfect for long rides. The foot pegs are positioned to give you a comfortable riding posture, whether you're cruising on city streets or taking on winding highways. And with the wide, comfortable handlebars, the bike feels stable and easy to maneuver, allowing you to maintain control for hours at a time. The Harley-Davidson Fat Bob also comes with advanced technology. It features the latest digital display, with an easy-to-read gauge that gives you all the essential information at a glance. You'll find everything from speed and gear selection to fuel level and more. The system is user-friendly, with clear, vibrant visuals that ensure you can stay focused on the ride, not fiddling with controls. The bike also comes with modern safety features, like ABS anti-lock braking system, which helps prevent wheel lockup during hard braking, enhancing overall safety. Riding the Fat Bob isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience. Every detail of this bike is designed with the rider in mind. The design, the handling, and the power all come together to create a motorcycle that isn't just fun to ride but is also reliable and comfortable. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of Harley-Davidson, the Fat Bob offers something for everyone. In conclusion, the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob is the complete package. With its powerful 114cc Milwaukee 8 engine, aggressive design, and advanced features, it's a bike that delivers on every level. It's perfect for riders who want to stand out, feel the thrill of the ride, and experience the open road in a way that only a Harley-Davidson can offer. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers on both style and performance, the Fat Bob is ready to take you on your next adventure.